for Falcons again that they open the Harley Suyo trade.
Harley sama Suyo pasti di trade nih.
Paquito is open.
Tinggal milih mau Harley atau mau Suyo first pick. Kalau misalnya Harley, Falcon udah pasti ngambil Suyo guys.
Does that warrant the first pick, Paquito?
Do it be like that.
I mean, we have seen first pick Paquito previously.
100.000 dari Tio. Pesan atau liburan ke Kampung Kumas. Pangandaran Wak Asteris.
Pangandaran aku udah sering banget itu Katio.
Falcons would want to consider this time picking up a
Sama keluargaku dulu. Kan aku hari-hari kalau misalnya liburan gitu ke Pangandaran.
and all that.
Main banana boat gitu-gitu.
Blow with it, pick up a Benedetta for you.
Apalagi mbok-mbok pijit di situ enak banget, gila powernya tinggi-tinggi banget. Wah.
Paquito.
Yeah.
Onyx did it. They
Salah
lose.
satu tempat favorit juga itu Pangandaran, main di pantai, Bro.
That was game 2 and 4.
2 and 4. And then what was the response on the other side for that when they lost?
Esmeralda Suyo
Esmeralda Suyo,
and Kufra Eve.
Yeah, the Cooper was just out of like left field. That was kind of weird, but it ended up working.
Mas minjem 20k dong
This
buat
answer right now
makan.
is going to be the Guinevere. So
Siapa tadi?
the Falcons will go Guinevere. Next
Bang
pick,
Alan.
Eve. So this is solid though.
Bang Alan, IG-nya apa Bang Alan?
Falcons.
Very good. I think Liquid needs to consider just defaulting into the Claude. They most likely get the Claude, but I'd want to see them consider a Moskov. Even, yes, this early in the phase, and then you pick up your Junker alongside with it. So you're going to have to show. I think Leomord would be okay. Harley's fine too, but then you're already very offensive with the Harley Paquito.
Yeah.
I think Liquid have realized that they can't just go blow for blow. Claude, okay, Claude. Fine. Maybe I'm just bored of Claude. Get the Leomord.
I think that's a sentiment for a lot of people that have been watching throughout
Jangan.
the playoffs.
Or Claude Harley. So you're just so much more mobile.
Yeah.
If something goes
Takutnya dia
sideways,
benar-benar
he's there.
membutuhkan, guys.
Yeah, but then again, as I was saying, it's like so greedy. So they hold off on their jungle pick. They pick up the juice in.
Mantap. Buat depo itu astagfirullah, janganlah kalau kayak gitu.
It can be a flap pick, so that they don't run out of options for it. Are they just gonna Benedetta this early?
Benedetta or what? Do they want an Esmeralda?
I mean, it's only the Paquito right now you have to worry about are the shields. You're not really getting shields. There's a Claude on the other side. I think the Esmeralda might be too much of an overcook.
Ke Pacitan.
Bene. Or Hilda.
Daerah mana itu? Pacitan.
Hilda.
Yeah, Bene or
Safe.
Hilda would be good, yeah.
Hilda might be the safe choice. Just go ahead, pick that up. You can still
Yuk fokus dulu.
find out what Team Falcons want to do. They're gonna go with
Gwyn malah ya, langsung Esme ya, buset. Gwyn, Yipi, Esme.
Yeah,
Purify, yeah.
Tidak ada suyo-suyoan bro di game ini bro.
For Liquid.
four sources of
Tapi Falcon masih bisa fleksibel ke arah Guinevere-nya.
either just gonna be I think they
Kenapa-
as their roam and then they
kenapa
pick up
Aurora
Esmeralda,
sekarang rada
XP,
down?
They take away hero.
Wah, aku nggak ngikutin Aurora PH mas.
High loss.
Jadi nggak tahu.
From Team Liquid Philippines.
It's been interesting to see the Khalid kind of slept on too. You know, has been picked up throughout the series just yet. Could be something that we see here throughout this, and I wonder what Ben is thinking.
Is that former coach Tic Tac?
Yeah.
Is that TikTok right there?
Yeah. From the corner.
Mas
of my
kalau
eye.
main Povel, Lapu Yuzong
Also here.
kalau ketemu Yipi atau Susin gitu, cara ngetahui kapan harus Oracle atau Raden dulu gimana mas?
What is Mima?
Radian aja.
Who is Mima Dars?
It's just
Radian aja, kalau misalnya turnamen mah Radian
Every
pasti.
game?
Yang diincar alotnya soalnya, bukan lifestyle ya. Soalnya kan rata-rata kalau turnamen bikinnya glowing.
okay.
Bikin Oracle juga percuma, spell farmnya dikurangin karena glowing musuh.
Respect.
Super Mars though. Look at that smile.
Super Mars.
All right, Super Marco's pick gonna be banned out. He's had twice now where
Harley di ban, ada Suyo, inget Falcon masih bisa fleksibel ke arah Gwyn guys.
Respect and target bans going on both sides.
But Liquid can't take everything.
They can't.
They choose if they give him the Moskov or the Harith.
Harith, yeah.
What the heck?
But they're gonna want to give him the
Di Indo
Harith.
nggak ada yang kayak gini ya guys ya modelannya. Ini Kadita nyelam nih. Kadita nyelam itu guys.
More towards the Moskov.
Kostumnya tuh.
They want to play the really close, tight game.
Yeah.
I think it's warranted to consider a Bruno. Because you don't have burst outside of the Paquito. The Jushin will be forced to Crimson Beacon forward to try and take the Bruno.
Apa
out.
itu? Kadita nyelam bro.
You're gonna need an assassin for Carl.
Ombaku.
You want to consider a Lancelot for Carl.
Man, they got a dance party going on. So They got a dance party going on over there on Team Liquid side.
Right here on the caster's desk too.
On the caster's desk too. They got it going, man. They're hyped up. I don't know how it's...
Suyo kah?
Is someone oh, they are dancing on Team Falcons too.
Tuh, Kadita guys, kostumnya guys, lihat. Sa. Eta gege, sa. Anjay.
Because of the magic overload, Falcons needs to consider something like a Bruno, maybe a Clint even.
Yeah.
I think they get the roamer first though. Just get a solid front, either pick up the Gatot or Hylos. Unless they go.
Jangan masuk ambush ya guys, pokoknya bahaya guys.
They don't need to go
Kena
pick off.
kumar nanti kalian.
You need a solid front. They just can't beat the Esmeralda.
Solid front. Some of the options here are narrowed down. Gatakacha still up in the choices here. A Hilda.
Oh, tembak langit, maraton bro.
Gwyn. Rome Gwyn.
They swerve it.
Mendunia banget ya tembak langit
I'm
ya.
not even mad.
Yeah.
Because we're in dangerous grass.
Yeah, you get so many more vantage points to utilize the Gwyn.
Points of entry.
Yeah.
Easier. You're not as vulnerable.
Yeah.
Even if it is.
Respect Kari.
You can kind of just.
Dah, LPHK ini menang. Hari ini adalah hari Kari bukan hari Cloud kah?
So slow.
Menurutmu Goland the best di MPL Indo, MY, SG, PH siapa mas? Indo.
Oh, Falcons, what a move.
Gentlemen, how crazy would it be if
Kelara.
Marco went on a fighter? If
Malay.
just
Innocent.
bombed Liquid. Because look
PH.
Laymord. Okay, they get the two horses.
Super Marco.
Mess with the Laymord and high loss. What's your goal? No, yeah, you can't go Bruno anymore. You can't go.
Nah kan bener kan, Gwynnya di fleksibel bro, ambil Suyu dia.
What if they go? What if they go YSS?
Arlot kah ini?
ISS for gold.
Nggak mungkin sih, udah ada Esme.
Or the Bruno. Does the Bruno still work in this?
Too tough.
MM apa nih?
I
Sisa
wouldn't go Esmeralda.
Battery kah?
That would be overcooking.
Battery
Don't
mati
do it,
sih.
Please don't throw it onto Marco.
No, they don't have
Opsi
basic
dia
attack.
kah?
They can't go fighter gold.
Harit, masih ada Harit Jir.
Just double down on the Harith. Oof.
And then I reckon they just throw a piercer.
Yeah.
Lagi restream mas, gimana buy one-nya?
Yeah, it has to be a Sky Piercer Suyo.
Lagi restream ini.
But what if
belum
all
bisa.
this damage is going to be too much for Liquid to handle? But we're dealing with a what if. The Absolutes show.
The crowd going crazy bro.
It looks good for them.
4 magic, iya magic semua ya.
And because
Sumpah guys, ini ya Hylos-nya susah dibunuh guys. Tinggal bikin Radiant Armor ya.
Oh man.
Whoever wins.
Tinggal bikin armor putih, top boots, dah.
Momentum through the roof.
Suyo nge-skill sakit kena Hylos-nya, tapi ada kolam. Bisa di backup pakai kolam. Damage magicnya sudah pasti geli. Karena bikinnya resist.
In the grand finals of this best of 7, the next team that wins this will be up to championship point. Will it be Team Liquid, who has lost 2 games now against Team Falcons, who seem to have figured out the Stampede?
Gentlemen, recall the last time that they did this, we literally extended the mall hours of Quill City.
Fanny nggak begitu laris ya mas di MPLPH.
Alright.
That went all
Kagak user kali. Fanny itu benar-benar harus user banget guys.
No, let them finish.
When was this?
SBS
This
Season
was
5.
2024.
Terus MPLPH juga emang pressurnya tinggi banget guys. Sekali nggak dapat biru kelar
Stayed
guys.
up till about
Herangnya terlalu manja. Sama kayak Link lah.
Man, this is a tense one. It looks like
Ini
we
kenapa nih?
are figuring things out.
Bapak pernah main ke Madura nggak? Main-main kesini mas bro, belum pernah ke Madura.
We're gonna have to wait a few minutes here before we jump into the game. It's been pretty smooth throughout the evening.
Aku tuh pernah ke Jogja,
Looks like
ke
we
Surabaya,
are- okay, we're
terus ke
scuba. Joseph, have you jumped
ke
on the scuba craze?
Samarinda pernah ya kalau nggak salah. Lupa gua. Ke Anyer,
I went was
ke Bogor,
6-7, and even then,
Scuba.
no,
Dude, it's
Tangerang.
I'm not doing it. Even in my head, I just say,
You're missing out.
ngebak,
I'm a grown man.
ngebak ini yang
Grown
paling.
man, by the way. That's how I feel. You know, if I'm
Ya udah mas, maaf ganggu nggak apa-apa.
You don't.
Mas Prabowo fokus kerja dulu.
You grow old because you stop playing.
Saya fokus kerja dulu ya.
Hey man, you have your big goofy
Bengkulu, belum pernah.
No, I
Aceh belum pernah.
We see your story, sir.
That's true.
We know you got Carl.
Hey, everybody's
Kicau
got
mania ya,
something.
kicau ya.
You know, everyone has something
Udah mulai, sorry
keep
guys.
them young. I'm sure you can
Hype
look at that because, guys,
biasa.
We can't
Gas,
see this player right
gas.
now jumping into game 5
Game 5 bro.
of their playing days. At least in Landon.
What I have is just undiagnosed. Okay.
All right, let's take a look at the emblems.
Yeah. Pretty standard across the board. Oh, let's look at that trade in mid. Pretty aggro. And this is the tough thing about playing the Gwyn roam. I mean, we had our very clear opinions about it when Twisted Mind played it earlier this
Yeah.
playoffs. It's just so highly punishable that now it's paired up with an Esmeralda. It's Haji who's going to be saving the Roman trio.
And it's tough because, especially in a laning phase engagement like this, there's not much the Guinevere can do. She shines when it's fighting time.
And it's so much magic damage. It's the Gwyn and Suyo though are a great.
Harus late game banget ya Falcon kalau mau enak tim fightnya ya guys ya. Harus nunggu Haritnya bener-bener item jahat guys. Masih bisa kok pakai Harit walaupun di game ini tetap sakit guys walaupun magic semua juga karena Starlium Side itu damage-nya true damage guys. Tetap jebol guys ya.
Magic damage is just too overwhelming, or Radiant Armors are going to be Falcon's biggest enemy. Kyle's game with the Suyo is important too. Oh,
siapa dapat tuh?
That's a great start for Total One.
Through the wall too. 30 seconds till the Lord comes through.
Yep. Once that turtle comes up, they'll go ahead and get things into position. A flicker being down from Sanford is a great start for Team Falcons to at least secure this. We'll see how they set up around it. Carl's just going to go ahead and grab a camp real quick. Ogwyn about to hit that level 3, and this is one of the great things.
Kenapa Granger Moskov jarang di-pick ya bang? Apa karena susah atau ngedamage yang kurang?
To bring value to these early skirmishes.
Moskov masih kok, Moskov masih. Granger yang jarang gue lihat nih.
You do most of your thing.
Yeah.
Marco gets the hit on the goal.
Cuma kalau di Indo Granger laku guys.
Grass loading very well for the
Kayak beda prioritas gitu loh tiap tiap negara.
Crimson Beacon knocks up Kyle.
Gila targetingnya bro, psikopat parah sih, gua akuin.
And now Flap dancing to protect that backline retreat, and they knock up Ogwyn. RWM defensively used by Haji. Kha'Zix already secured.
Gila sih ini. Zuxinnya sih berani banget main kayak gitu ya.
Damn, and I don't know if Kyle was ready for it.
Turtle.
Great combo there for Sansan. Sanji just brought Sanford
Sansan.
burst targets and one of the opposing jungler. So Kyle needs to watch out for how
Yung
he
bantai R7, yeah.
positions himself around the Lord.
Sanji Sanford.
Knowing that Sanji is fearless with using the Crimson Beacon as a means to set him up. Usually you'd see that as a defensive tool or something like that, but no. Sanji is on set you up, kill you mode, and he needs to play more through Ogwyn and Flap.
Yeah, for those of y'all who don't know, when Zushin pops a Crimson Beacon, you get instant stacks.
Yeah.
So people just all the more easily
fly around.
Instantly thrown around.
Yeah, that's one of the strengths here, especially when you hit that level 4. But so far, this has been the course. I would say the pace that we've seen set up in the past previous games, where it's a little bit slower.
Bikinnya sama nggak nih poketnya si Sanford nih lawan kayak gini ya? Tetap Hunter Strike si Hubbard Wings nggak ya? Apa emang dia build kayak gitu tuh karena ada Predrin guys?
Team Falcons, now that you have a level 4 in Ogwyn, maybe they can look for setup potential.
Oh, still a very slow-paced game. You see the effects of game 3 and 4 in this. You're really just playing around for the objectives. No one's... Oh, wait.
Whoa. Flappy are hit with the Law and Order.
Woi, fakta bro.
Used to back off. Had to purify. Glorious Pathway used up by JP already.
Yeah, Ogwyn wasn't able to knock up anyone because when the Glorious Pathway was brought down, that little bit of extra movement speed just meant that Ogwyn wouldn't be able to land the spatial migration. Unfortunate for him. I think him and Flap were looking for a bait play combo type.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Flap in trouble once again. 40.
One hit lagi bro.
Lethal intent. Flap dashes through, catches a shield, and there's not much of action for Falcons either.
It's quite scary how much damage Pagito can do. Oh, all right, he should be fine. They're going to trade it.
Ritarta lagi ya.
Trade too much. This is going to be an objective. Second turtle in the hands of TL.
Yeah, cross map.
Seru sih anjir main Pogito tuh.
Know that maybe fighting the turtles are going to be a bit risky for them, so they're just getting the farm.
Main Pogito tuh sama kayak main ini guys, kayak main Suyo.
Here comes the first item for
hero-hero nge-skill gitu. Cicil, escape, escape.
Rush.
Seru jir.
Full builds the Hunter Strike.
Probably best go ahead and build that anyway. He's been dealing with so much pressure towards him.
So 5 minutes in, Falcons haven't put anything on the board.
Yeah.
Are we afraid of them expiring? Is that the problem with this Magic-centric lineup?
Oh, well, the good thing
Kalau
is,
dari draft menang mana mas?
no matter how much that
Enak kiri dong, early-nya jauh.
Yeah.
And I think that's also the
Balance kiri, fisik ada, magic ada, badan ada. Kalau kanan magic semua guys. Kanan itu mainnya kalau late game banget guys, banget ya.
It's one of
Mas
those
tiap
ones
turtle
where it's
susah
like, you
guys.
just wait.
Kanan tuh.
If you have to just kind of hold
JP-nya
on,
bawa kolam juga dari Romy udah menang guys, bawa kolam gitu. Kontes objektif.
You have all the tools
Buset.
you need to go ahead and set team fights up in your favor. So Team Falcon seems to just be taking that route. Like, let's just kind of sit in, get to this point where we can, and it's TL trying to actually find these moments to potentially make something happen. Good take there.
Wow. Teddy with the last hit. I think it was the Art of Thievery that got it.
Uh-oh. Flapier refusing to purify up until the last moment. Has to
Gila ini dua orang ini cok,
into a
sumpah.
wall just to survive. Sanji knocks him up, but it's still
Oh sumpah, Sanji Sanford.
Steal a double over to Sanford. Here WM cancelled here. Now Hodge has to flicker back.
Gila cok, ini dua orang cok.
But JP will continue to pressure them. Ogwen can't save him. Oh my lord, Hodge. He gets squished here. Not much that Guinevere can do, and Liquid aren't done.
Onto the tier 2?
Oh my
Another
god.
double for 40. That's why they call him the Apex Predator.
And the straw that breaks the camel's back. You were just waiting for that moment.
Oh my god bro.
It snaps. And it snaps in favor of Team Liquid. Again, they have the lineup for it. And Sanford now has secured all 4 kills for Liquid in this game.
Gentlemen, remember when we posed the question, should you not give the Paquito over to Sanford? I think that's been answered once again. You know, again, it was a priority pick. He's sitting on 4-0 now. He's already got that 100 strike.
Nangis,
And you're
bro,
seeing the
esnya,
way
bro,
they play
digituin,
around
bro.
it. I think that's why it's such a threat and why it is such a priority, because you're seeing how they're allowing Sanford. He's let's see if he does something here. He's 1v3.
They're looking to shut him down. Quick knock up. Oh,
Gak bisa, Esme makan damage kalian guys.
And the stand duo quill the trio from the
Ngegeng sama Esme satu lane itu paling susah guys, karena shieldnya itu kemakan sama temennya guys.
knocks out Master.
Damage-nya masuk ke shield Esme guys.
And they go in. Double
Habis.
combo. Haji gets
Habis.
taken down.
Real.
Kyle does not
Wah Haji ini
the double and Flap follows.
gak heran sih gue dibantai sama Sanji Sanford Magic.
One Marco don't know one none.
Sampai sekarang memang
The Ducati.
wah bujang.
It never fails them. The Hylos and the Leomord together just has a good history for Liquid. And maybe the
Ngeri banget cok, emang aduh.
the Suyo ended up just going into the jungle and there was a roam Guinevere. Call me a hater of the pick.
Gila, chemistry ininya loh. Komitnya guys, Esme pun tadi digas di situ.
It is all a Liquid. Teddy's gold compared to Marco.
Jago
He does
amat.
have a 1,100 gold lead.
In comes another glorious pathway. Nowhere for Ogwen to go. Go sideways.
Tinggal bersih-bersih doang guys, main Pokito kayak gini guys, enak banget anjing.
Summon force. Oh, that does compromise.
Siapa yang bisa
Marco
bunuh, bro?
to the face. Teddy gets a double.
Bikin wings lagi dia. Item kedua kan wings itu
Some of the
Pokito.
action, he just got some.
Mau
great
OTW apa tuh,
placement
pistol kayaknya
on
nih.
the blazing duet. And so TL has brought it to this point, an 8,000 gold lead. Where did this come from?
Win after win.
Udah guys, TLPH nih
They get towers out of
sama
that
kayak Oni,
zone.
kalau udah dapat
Without
beda
Super
network
Marco
7.000
would
guys,
get a
abis
big
kalian.
considerable win or lead against Teddy.
5.000 lah, 5.000 ke atas, guys.
And rotations from Falcons because of how well Teddy was able to control the lane as well and keep himself alive.
Oh.
Yes, there's a lot of eyes on the
Kocak lu
roam victory
siapa?
of the four horsemen,
Publik.
but Teddy's play in the lane was crucial for Liquid being at this point as
Wah
well.
kenapa sih ini gelap-gelap gini?
Oh, I feel ya. I feel the crowd in here too, because
Did someone
same
pick a
thing.
Hellcurt?
Yep, someone picking a Hellcurt here, playing with us, but right now, TL, easy take on the Lord. So they'll secure that. Team
Benar
Falcon,
guys.
they gotta just prep up and be ready. I was thinking buckle in for the series. Well, now, quickly, in a matter of a few minutes, 3-4 minutes, they're in their base buckling up. Let's see if they can make it happen. Haji picks up a Divine Glaive, but you're looking at the items. There's a massive disparity.
Glorious pathway.
Gila, loncat nih sekali langsung di oh core itemsnya tuh, core itemsnya guys, wings, queen wings.
Push up top.
You got a Ducati.
Queen Wing, si Halberd, Hunter Strike guys. 3 item Pokitonya pasti itu dari Sanford guys. Boleh tuh diikutin guys. Gua kira itu si Kone ketika ada Fredrinol aja gitu. Ternyata ini sama Leo pun dia bikinnya kayak gitu guys. Emblemnya sudah pasti fighter guys. Tidak perlu bikin War X. Damage-nya dari full Penet guys. Hunter Strike, si Halberd, Pistol. Nanti item defense-nya ada Wings dan Oracle sama Imo paling mentok.
Just swiping away at the Lord. Requiem, put it in. Teddy with a massive blazing duet.
Gila, jungler di solo kill, so. Gak solo kill sih, tapi
Flap falls in. That's a double. Mid lane tier 1 drops. 3 defenders left. Falcons are reeling.
Penuh lagi darahnya.
Slowly
karena
but
ambil fighter dan Wing.
take out Ogwin as well. Ogwin is holding on. Liquid at match point.
One away from making